So Naked is heavily shorted right now, and what the price actually doing? The last time we actually hit the $1, we hit with the massive short position by the short sellers, and the price actually doing lower highs from there. So the price should actually change the momentum and go up, and this price exactly, if we didn't, we're gonna see the price gravitate around the support level that we're gonna talk about. So be careful and have this strategy. Always be ready to actually be flexible, and always change the strategy depends on the situation. So we get right to it and see the price for Naked for today. So without further ado, bless the like button. Trading J's always tell you to be patient and hunt for exact price values. So let's get right to it. Look with me, guys. The moment that we hit the $1, we see a massive rejection. As I said before in the last video, we're gonna see a big resistant level around the 0.97, even before the $1. That's why we saw massive selling pressure, and now we see a bit of hold up above our exponential average. And if we draw our triangle to see where's the pressure coming from, or where we're gonna explode, you can look here, guys. The price will explode again just if we have the price go again, this time around above the 0.77 again and hold above. This time we're gonna see a confirmation for a breakout, and at least we have a buying pressure. But by the momentum indicator is dropping, since we have the price went to almost $1, from the 3rd of June that is being heavily shorted, guys. And if we go and see here, we have the higher lows, and here at 8th of June, and now we doing this kind of confirmation of the price downtrending. And as I said, this kind of level of downtrending is not really looking good. But if you want to see any breakout really soon, right now we need to get out from this level of rejection that we always see. The change in momentum, we need the closing candle here, guys, by this week. We need the volume to actually go above the 0, at the same time closing candle above this time to change the trend that we've been doing down. So you see this kind of momentum actually getting down every time. We need this time to close here to change the momentum up, and we actually protect this level around the 0.70 would be perfect. Above our exponential average will be really perfect if we don't want to visit the 0.55, guys. Really important this week, because now we heavily shorted, and if each time we want to close above here, we see a massive rejection. We have this rejection around the 14th of June. So by this week, we need a closing candle above the 0.77 and hold, in order for the next week we have the price go to $1 again to test again this time. But from the volume is dropping, this is not good indication if we don't actually see another try to close above the 0.77. This is the last time, the last chance even to see a fighting chance for the short seller before we actually go below again for Naked. So always, guys, as said, be flexible and have a strategy if the price went down on you. Take a profit on the way. You see, when we actually hit the massive rejection area around the $1, I told you guys to take a bit of profit. So now you actually could load up on those prices, and when you actually buy around the 0.77, you're always in green, because the price is key level area, and always test it. Even if we go below it, we're gonna test it. We ought to test it, because the market maker know this is the key level for Naked. So without further ado, guys, press the like button and see you in the next video.